bathroom trying to film, but it's pretty hard because I left my tripod at my aunt's house. So now I don't have anything to film right with. So yeah, let's just pretend like nothing happened. Okay. You guys can see this, it's like clear. It's awesome. Okay, so I changed the setting. So now I will be showing you guys my little palette. This one's also made with clear glue. Some little googly eyes, just because of the palette, like some little googly eyes drop. These ones have googly eyes. It's really hard to poke with this. I tried to make this one a rose gold, but it didn't really come out. Came out more of like a red type gold. Let's see how it would look with the flash now. I like it better in normal. Yeah, it's a nice day. Finally, they poke. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so I like to use clear glue a lot, but it's only because I have a gallon of white glue, but I prefer this one. Okay, so we'll be using some blue dye. Looks nice. So we're just going to be making an ocean breeze, like type. I know the ocean isn't really this color, but oh, there's food coloring. I love mermaid. My goodness. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my coloring detergent. My detergent is also blue because I use another type of detergent. I don't use borax because I got these cuts. I was getting like burns on my hands, so that's why I stopped and my mom started buying me this other type of different detergent. Okay, sorry guys, my mom's calling me, so. Oh, and there will be a giveaway. Giveaway will end. Giveaway will end March. Wait, is it February, March? Yeah, March. I know that it's just so like you guys have more time to prepare. Yeah, okay, so let's just. It looks like a clump of mess. I don't even think this. No, yeah, it's gonna start coming in. It looks like a little clump of mess, but it just goes like that. You have to start kneading it. Okay, so I'm mixing and mixing. See, you guys, it starts to get better. It starts to clump up. Starts to get better. Oh, there's a big mess. You know, it's okay. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm not gonna overactivate it again. So, I mean, I don't even think I overactivated it. I just looked like I did a lot, but I really didn't. It's becoming a nice little slime. So the only reason I was showing you guys my slimes was because, I don't know, I felt like I wanted to do sticky. Some ASMR. Okay, so here's the slime. I think it came out really good. So yeah, let's do some ASMR. Okay, so giveaway this. I am going to be giving away iPhone 7 Plus Rose Gold. So what you guys going to do is subscribe and tell me you guys subscribed. And I will know if you guys subscribed, so don't lie. So yeah, you guys got to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below that you guys subscribe, liked, and turn on the notification bell. So giveaway will end. When will the giveaway end again? Oh yeah, March 30th. So yeah, bye guys.